This is the connections up front. Got the main Schrader valve. Got the line in that will hook up to the compressor once the compressor is put where it's supposed to be, but for now we're just hiding it away. And here's a manifold. So you have the air manifold here. You have the shut off, which is upside down because we don't care in science. We've got a emergency blow off back here that's set for 150 psi. The red hose is the one that goes to the tailgate. The blue hose is this guy right here up front underneath the hood. And then we have this little guy here, which goes inside the truck. For now, it's just sitting loose, but it sits like that. We just did a pressure test. Took about, I don't know, a minute, maybe a minute and a half to get to 100 psi. That's the end of the test.